raspberry on his arm. Oh, he drooled. Yeah, he drooled.
No.
How's that? Is that better? Weirdo. Gentle. You're trying to make the face squeeze on Oscar. Okay, don't do that.
Show Daddy the face squeeze.
You monkey?
Show Daddy your face squeeze.
No, she's being a monkey. What sound does a monkey make? Take this under your arms. Oscar likes it. Gentle with his arms. Gentle. Can you give him a kiss? Oscar thinks you're crazy. Can you play peekaboo with Oscar? Can you play peekaboo? Do it. Okay, go peekaboo, Oscar. Say boo. He loves it. Do it again.